India is world's tax dispute capital. New income tax bill is expected to change that. Para. India was a command economy in 1961. Bitcoin was beyond imagination. So were personal computers and smartphones. The Income Tax Act of that era is a misfit in these times. It's been kept going with additions and alterations like an old family home, but the result is uncomfortable and ungainly. And like old family homes, it breeds disputes. That's why FM promised an overhaul while presenting her budget last July. The new IT bill is ready, has got cabinet approval, and will hopefully be tabled in parliament today. Para. A purported copy was in circulation yesterday, and it did look like an improvement on the original. The language is simpler and clearer. Rules for deductions don't look like riddles. There are many more sections, but only because the existing rules have been sorted for clarity. Salaried taxpayers will like clause 19, for example, because it consolidates all deductions in a tabular form. New asset categories like crypto and new income streams like gaming and influencers earnings are covered. The switch from assessment year to tax year seems like a minor matter, but perhaps best captures the intent of the exercise, reducing disputes and litigation. Para. That's because direct tax disputes have become a plague over the past 15 years. The amount under dispute started rising after the downturn of 2009-10 and touched 15.4 lakh crore in 2023-24. Roughly 87% of it concerns direct taxes. For perspective, Sitaraman's IT bounty for middle class is worth only 1 lakh crore, while tax disputes arise everywhere. Indian tax authorities have a poor track record of winning them. An OECD analysis of tax disputes in 34 countries showed Indian authorities won only 11.5 of their cases in 2015 as against the group average of 65%. That suggests many tax demands in India are unreasonable, made under pressure to meet revenue targets. A simpler, clearer, unambiguous IT law can help end this tyranny. Fewer tax disputes also mean greater ease of doing business. Does the new bill live up to these expectations? We will know when the official version is officially tabled. Stop.